300 to 610 DCID exam dumps are newly updated to help you achieve your CCNP data center certification. 1. A set of virtual machines must be live migrated from a data center to a disaster recovery site. The data center and disaster recovery sites are connected through an inter-pod network topology. The gateway address of the virtual machine is the same across the data center and disaster recovery. Which Cisco Nexus feature supports this requirement? A. VXLAN EVPN, B. Fabric Path, C. FHRR, D. VPLS. 2. Which two configurations are available by using a service profile template in Cisco UCS Manager? Choose 2. A. Number of VHB as B. ARP entries, C. UUID assignment, D. VXLAN membership, E. Target server. 3. An engineer is installing a Cisco Nexus 7000 series switch with F2 series I/O module. The company's strict security policy requires that the port be in band. The engineer must also keep these considerations in mind. The customer's security requirements mandate the use of a secure management mechanism that supports authentication and encryption. The port should support management over IP. Which port type must be used to meet these requirements? A. Management port, B. Console port, C. Connectivity management port, D. Ethernet port. 4. An engineer manages hundreds of Cisco Nexus series and 9000 series switches that are installed at several data centers and wants to use one of the built-in automation tools of the Cisco NXOS guest shell to automate daily activities. The engineer requires a tool that uses imperative language, has extensive support, and is object-oriented. Which automation tool should be used to meet these requirements? A. Python, B. Bash, C. YAML, D. Perl. 5. A network consultant reviews the requirements for the storage area network (SAN) design. The proposed solution must offer a very efficient port usage and eliminate the need for a separate physical layer of switches and their associated ISLs. The design is not expected to require future expansion. Which SAN topology must be used to meet these requirements? A. Core edge, B. Collapsed core, C. Core distribution access, D. Edge core edge. 6. Which two automation requirements can be met by using Puppet? Choose 2. A. Push configuration updates immediately to servers. B. Enable clients to pull changes to configuration files. C. Enable clients to pull changes without installing an agent. D. Provide support for writing new modules in Python. E. Enable one-off infrastructure changes to be performed manually. 7. What are two advantages of using Cisco VPC as compared to traditional access layer designs? Choose 2. A. Supports Layer 3 port channels. B. Disables spanning tree. C. No spanning tree blocked ports. D. Uses all available uplink bandwidth. E. Maintains single control plane. 8. Which Ethernet to Cisco Fabric Interconnect connectivity configuration is supported when FCOE is implemented? A. VSS that has unified uplinks. B. Ethernet and unified ports on the same port channel. C. VPC that has unified uplinks. D. Cross connections with pinning. 9. An engineer must design a solution to divide the workload across two different data centers and achieve redundancy in case of the failure of either data center. Which solution must the engineer choose? A. Single Cisco HyperFlex Stretched Cluster. B. Cisco HyperFlex Edge Cluster. C. Cisco HyperFlex Robo Cluster. D. Single Cisco HyperFlex Standard Cluster. 10. Which two configuration methods can be used to deploy COEs to Cisco MDS series switches? Choose 2. A. Zone-based COEs. B. Multiple COEs policies that match individual devices. C. vSAN-based COEs. D. FCOE-VLAN-based COEs. E. Multiple COEs policies that match multiple devices.